What is the compression method of tablet? Compression is the process of conversion of granules to a compact mass within specified limits with the help of a machine called a tablet machine. In this process, formation of a tablet takes place when powder, mostly in the form of granules, moves into the die cavity and then is compressed between upper and lower punches and then the two large opponent wheels, in which the lower wheel is fixed while the upper one moves. After granulation, next step of manufacturing is compression. Machine equipment and cubicle, including walls and floor, are properly cleaned. Area cleanliness as per the requirement of the line clearance procedure is performed before the start of the new batch. After thorough checks and satisfaction, the production pharmacist signs the line clearance sheet, followed by approval from the QA officer on a random basis. After line clearance, the machine operator fixes the machine parts and tools in the machine. All the parts must be properly cleaned and dry. The first step in compression is the filling of the hopper with granules and manually running to fill the die cavity. Then the granules are compressed between the upper and lower punch and then the two wheels with pressure, resulting in the formation of the tablet. The end step is to get the required weight of the tablet. Start the machine with minimum pressure and seed and check the weight of the tablet manually on the electronic balance and adjust the weight by moving the knob attached to the weight adjustment cam, either clockwise or as per need, until the weight is adjusted. Weight increases if the knob is moved anti-clockwise and vice versa. The third step of compression is to adjust the hardness and thickness of the tablet as per requirement. Adjust the hardness either by rotating the knob attached to the lower fixed wheel, clockwise or clockwise rotation will increase the hardness and vice versa. Check the thickness of the tablet with the help of a verifier clipper. Continue the trial until the tablet of specific hardness and thickness is achieved. After preliminary adjustment, run the machine at full capacity and do the following important checks during the compression period. 1. Take the weight of these tablets as per product requirement on the small electronic weighing balance, capacity in grams. Note it on the sheet and repeat it after every 1.5 hours. 2. Confirm the thickness through a verifier clipper and note it on the sheet at minimum 2 hours intervals. 3. Check the hardness of tablets by weighing usually these tablets and transferring them into the testing apparatus. Run it for 4 minutes and then note the difference in weight before and after the operation. It must be less than 1%. Tester must have 100 revolutions in 4 minutes. The quantity of tablets used for the test depends upon the weight of a unit tablet. If the weight of the single tablet is less than 650 mg, then use these tablets, otherwise utilize only dust tablets. 4. Perform the disintegration test by putting one tablet in each channel. Apparatus usually consists of 4 baskets, each containing 6 channels. Baskets are fixed in the assembly. Baskets containing tablets are then dipped in a water chamber and then run the apparatus at 36-38 C until all the tablets are broken down into small pieces which could easily pass through a mesh of dust sizes. Note the time of disintegration. It must be within specification. When all the parameters are satisfactory, draw a sample of 20 tablets and send it to the Quality Control Department for physical and chemical analysis. Frequency of disintegration and checking must be at the start of the machine and then once daily. Note that the disintegration is only done for uncoated tablets. Tablets after ejection from the machine pass through the metal detector installed at their end of the compression machine, which detects the metal and rejects the tablets before falling into the output container. Check the efficiency of the metal detector at the start of the machine and then randomly during the operation. Hydraulic pressure is transmitted through static fluid equally in all directions in the machine as per Pascal's rule. Direct compression is usually executed when there is a risk of deterioration of air material used in the preparation of tablets during granulation.